In this movie, we're going to look briefly at MySQL's handling of variables. It's very simple to set a variable in MySQL. We just need to remember a specific syntax for naming variables. That is, we have to use this @ sign before the variable name. Let's call my variable myname, and we'll set it with an equal sign to Josh. When we go to get the value from the variable, we can just use a simple select statement like this, and it returns a single value, whatever we ascribed the value to the variable when we set it. So setting variables and getting the value back from them is very easy. Let's take a look at an example of where it could be useful for us to get a variable from the result of a select query. We have to use a slightly different syntax when we want to set a variable within a select query. We use, instead of a set statement, we use a select statement because we're querying data from a database. Then we set up a variable, and we use this special operator, a colon followed by an equal sign, and we use this when we're setting a variable within a select statement. We're going to specify cust ID from the customers table, where first name equals John. As we can see, MySQL returns the whole of that phrase that we used to set the variable. And the cust variable has been set just like the other one. If we take a look at the value of it, it's 5. The reason why this is useful is that we can run a whole series of commands to, for instance, to take the customer called John and delete all memory of him from the database. So we can delete from the orders table, where cust ID equals this variable, cust. And then we can delete from customers table as well. So now when we go to look in our customers table, John has gone. There's no mention of him at all in the table. This can be useful when creating batches of SQL commands. We're going to find out about that very soon in another chapter.